Welcome to day 46 of my day trading to journey to profitability. As you can see right here, I took a loss today. I really shouldn't have even traded today. Um, and I got, what did I do? I was going to exit the trade because I didn't think I should have been in a trade. And then for some reason, I decided to re-enter, even though I shouldn't have been, and I exited because I wasn't supposed to be. And I don't even know what I was thinking. Emotions got the best of me again, I guess. Kind of disappointed in myself again. Um, that I that I entered. I think I'm rushing myself into trades. I just need to take a step back and wait for a trade to come to me. I don't need to be in every single trade every single day. I just need to wait for a setup, um, and then when it's a good setup, I'll win. I mean, I don't know why I'm trying to force trades. Clearly, that's how we lose money. Um, but yeah, let's go over it. So first things first, market opened. And this candle marked out this high here, this low here, same thing here. Um, we're bullish. We're off this, reacting off this imbalance here. Same thing here on ES. On the 1 hour, pretty similar situation. I mean, when market opens right here, we never broke structure to the upside till like 10 or so, or 11 actually, when that candle closed. But I marked out that high. So my 4 hour bias was bullish, even though we swept this. I mean, I was bullish on the 4 hour and my daily thing, my daily bias, I guess. I was bullish for that, and you can see that was right. But I keep trying to trade these little mini retraces, which I mean, it was working last week. Um, but I think maybe I needed to wait for news, and then that would have I would have seen no entries then, and that would have been just like stopping myself from trading today. But we're not getting any liquidity sweeps here before we have these big legs up, which is kind of interesting to me. Um, but you can see market opens here, get a sweep of this, and this high here. This was a London session high, yeah, London session high. Um, so I did mark that out. We do get a retrace off that, but then we get another retrace here. We actually broke structure to the downside here. That's what I mainly took the trade off of, because I mean, I figured that since we broke structure and a retrace and swept this, um, we swept this high and went into filled this order block. I felt pretty confident about that. I mean, I was expecting a reversal, and that kind of helped change my bias. But as you can see, the 4 hour trend has been right pretty much every single day this week. And for some reason, I'm trying to trade against it. I don't know why. But yeah, anyway, so you can see here, news comes out at 10. I don't know why it's not showing up here. Yeah, news came out at 10. Right here, ISM services PMI was pretty. It was. I don't even know where it was. Yeah, I took the trade on ES though, so let's talk about that. I mean, we broke short. We had on NQ we had a retrace on this high and this high here, 955. So at 10, and then we broke structure on that candle, and then I was looking on ES, but I found a fair value gap in here. Like, see, we get a break structure earlier here. Sorry, no, over here. Yeah, like we have this leg down. We broke structure here. hit this. So if we broke structure here at 9:55, yeah, 9:55 here. Um, yeah, then we get this fair value gap. Um, yeah, we never get anything after this. See, I like to wait for a new fair value gap. We get this here, but no breaker structure out of that. I don't remember what I entered off of. I think I really just entered off that 5 minute breaker structure. We broke structure here. Yeah, I treated that as a retrace. Maybe I need to not do that. I need to actually wait for a retrace. 5 minute break. I mean, then we have this fair value gap get filled. Um, I really thought that was going to push lower. Get that 5 minute fair value gap. That 5 minute shift order flow. Yeah, right there. And the news came out here, and that would have stopped me out. I mean, my stop was here. That would have stopped me out. I think I entered. I must have entered here. There's a low right there. Yeah, I must have entered on this candle. Yeah, I entered on this candle. That was right before news, and I don't know what I was doing. I mean, it's a red folder. I should just not be trading on red folders till I can see how they react with the market, yeah, or how the market reacts to them. I'm in no rush. I don't know why I traded before news, but I shouldn't have. I mean, you can see that's what happens. Um, yeah, short here or something. Boom, stops with there. I mean, I wouldn't even take profit. Yeah, I guess I would have hit a 1 to 1, but um, there was nothing prominent there. But you can see that news candle. I mean, the trade was decent. It really was. Other than it was before news. I mean, the trade it was good. It was reacting off a bunch of areas. Order flow shifted for a little bit, not long at all. But it probably reversed just because of news. News came out bullish. Yeah, news came out bullish, and then we just pushed up for the day. So yeah, I mean I guess that's good to see. It was a decent trade, other than the fact that it was before news. Um, So yeah, that's lesson learned for today. Don't trade before news, and don't re-enter after I freaking take myself out of the trade. I'm just greedy. I think I'm being greedy, and I'm trying to rush it. I mean, I know my strategy works. I can see it right here. It works, even though it wouldn't have worked here because of news. This candle here is all because of news. But yeah, lesson learned. Hopefully, we'll never do it again. I don't. I did it yesterday, and I said I would never do it again. So I got to figure out something to work on my mental. Um, but I can never be doing that again, especially if I actually want to do anything with this day trading stuff, which I really do. It's just frustrating. We'll never do this again. Never enter before news. And never, I mean, I would have entered and I stopped myself out with like $20 loss. Which, whatever, that's $20 loss, whatever. But then I decided to re enter and then boom, down 250 bucks. Pretty much back to 50K starting account with less of a drawdown, which is frustrating. Yeah, we see here I got 1,500 bucks to still drawdown. So that's 3 trades or so at $500 stop loss each. So hopefully I'll be able to catch a win here. Maybe we'll get something going for PM session. But yeah, 8:46, learned a lot. We're not going to trade before news anymore. So yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.